let's take a quick walk along some nature paths nestled behind the village of Friendship Heights. We're going to start at the top of the Willard Avenue Park. We'll follow the path to a bench, and then take the steps down to the Little Falls Branch stream. The water level is a bit low today, but that'll make it easier for us to cross. Once across, we'll take the trail to the right and follow it along the creek. We'll eventually work our way into the neighborhood of Somerset. At the first intersection, we'll turn right into the parking lot for the Somerset Pool. Before crossing over the bridge, we'll turn left and walk through the parking lot and right into Vinton Park. We eventually have to cross the stream again. This part gets lots of sun, so it's usually the best spot to see fish. Unfortunately, I didn't find any today. After following the trail for a bit longer, we come to what is normally my favorite part. It's become pretty overgrown since I was last here earlier in the summer. There's still plenty of flowers in bloom, though. For the third and final time, we're going to have to cross the stream. We're now nearing the end of the trail, but there's still plenty to see. There's a community garden with beehives and still plenty of flowers. We finally arrive at the hustle and bustle of Wisconsin Avenue. Thanks for joining on this peaceful walk. I'll see you next time.